Now we will look into what's new in report. So let's say we have a contract here. And in the terms and condition, the contract starts from 1st Jan 2022 until 31 December 2024. We have lease component level, the carryover balances, the opening GBV is 100,000 and opening accumulated depreciation is 50,000. Now let's look at the asset roll forward. I have the report from 2021 to 2022. Before, when a contract with carryover balances is created during the report date range, the opening balances, for example, the opening GBV and the accumulated depreciation were not populated in the report. For example, here we had an opening balance of 100,000 and 50,000 accumulated depreciation that was not shown. And even the accumulated depreciation, the opening balances were not shown. The reason for this issue is the report always picks these opening balances by comparing data as at the report start date. So when we are recalculating this, it doesn't tally when we don't have a carryover balance. Now, we can see this carryover balances as opening gross book value and opening accumulated depreciation. Do anyone have any question regarding this one? The report, it's asset roll forward report. No. And similarly, for activity analysis report, before the contracts with carryover balances are totally skipped in activity analysis report when the report start date is before contract start date. But now we have the carryover balances appear as the opening balances. So beginning ROU asset balance and the accumulated depreciation.
Pratibha, do you mind increasing the zoom on this report, please?
Sorry about that. Do anyone have any question?